Hello everyone. So I have got so many messages from all of you asking me the format of the question paper. So today I'm going to discuss you the number of questions that are there and how the paper is divided into. I mean the type of questions or the rather the chapters and the marks. So that is what I'm going to discuss with you today. Question number 1, which is a compulsory question. It is divided into 3 parts, 4 marks each. Remember, every question is of 12 marks. Question number 1 is a compulsory question, and out of the remaining 5, you have to answer any 4. So, total 5 into 12, each question is of 12 marks, which is 60. So, paper is basically 72 or 74 marks, of which you have to attempt how many? 60 marks. So, this is the overall paper. Now, so out of these 5, because it's not visible on the screen for you all, you have to answer any 4. Question number 1, which is a compulsory question divided into 3 questions of 4 marks each. First question is Indian Contract Act, second question is Companies Act, and third question is Sale of Goods Act. So these are the 3 chapters that you will get a compulsory question from. Question number 2, which is divided into 2 questions, one of 7 marks, one of 5 marks. First question, which is of 7 marks, is from the Indian Contract Act. The second question, which is of 5 marks, is from LLP. And that's the reason I always tell you that you cannot leave LLP, though just for 5 marks, it comes with Indian Contract Act. And Indian Contract Act being a chapter which is for 22 marks, I'm definitely not going to leave that chapter. But if you have not studied LLP, you may have to compromise on this question. And the question here is generally a direct theory question. Like, what are the exceptions to no consideration, no contract? Or, what is fraud? What are the cases where silence is? Like, direct question like that, which is so easy for you to attempt. So you actually cannot compromise on this 7 marks by leaving your LLP chapter. So you're supposed to do the chapter LLP. Question number 3, which is divided into 2 parts again, each part of 6 marks. 2 questions, first one from partnership, second one from Indian Contract Act. Moving on to question number 4, which is again divided into two parts, 6 marks each. First one, Sale of Goods Act, second one, Partnership Act. Then moving on to question number 5, which is again divided into 2 parts, again 6 marks each, where the first question is from Sale of Goods Act, the second question is from Companies Act. The last question is, that is question number 6, which is divided into 3 parts, where you have 5, 4 and 3 marks. Indian Contract Act 5, Partnership for 4, and Companies Act for 3 marks. So this is the basic division of the paper. This is the pattern of the paper that you will get. Next video that I'm going to make for you all is on the tips that you should remember while you're writing the answers. Don't forget to watch that video. Keep studying, happy learning, and stay motivated.